Alright traders, I want to take time to show you what we offer to you to help you to learn to trade any market, not just the Forex market, but also the crypto market, stocks, and so forth. So basically guys, this is our members website right here, and at this area here, this is the members dashboard. So when you come down to your member dashboard, you have your courses, and here you could see your courses, high probability price action, so forth. All right. And then you have your next set of courses right here. Now these courses are just starting up, but this main course is going to be an online course that's going to be started within the next week or so. And if you become a member here, you'll be able to attend each session, because each session is going to last once a week. We're going to talk about different indicators, and I'll show you on our educational page some of the things that we'll be talking about. So you'll be able to go over various indicators during our live webinar session, which will then be put into a course. All right, and then on your dashboard you have your recent videos. All right, so this is the most recent webinar recording from yesterday, which is posted up here. All right, and then you have your previous crypto webinar posting. All right, so we have a webinar session for Forex and for cryptos, and then you have your calendar of events, tells you when the next event is. So basically here's your Sunday event, and here's your Sunday event, and then next Sunday and Friday you'll see your crypto event, Sunday you'll see your Forex event, and then throughout the week, if there's any other events, they'll be posted there. All right, so that's going to be the members dashboard, so just to get you through the site there. But then what we also offer here on our site is all of our courses, which you just saw, but then our Forex analysis videos. These are the videos of this webinar session. So every session that we have, you can watch the recording. As you can see, they're pretty long sometimes, because we have 2-hour session, 2.5-hour session, 3-hour session, whatever. But here they are. These are the videos, so they're all archived. You'll be able to watch each one anytime you want. All right. So we have these sessions every Sunday. And these aren't even all the videos. These are just some of the videos on this first page. And then members are hopefully future members, right? The crypto video analysis is where we are here. So these are the webinars from the crypto sessions, and then these videos are posted also. So you can always watch these videos at any time. We talk about a lot of stuff in here. It's not just talking about Ichimoku and so forth. We talk about everything. There's not many stock videos. We haven't done a lot of stocks, a lot of different stocks, or everyone doesn't really trade the same stocks, so it's been tough getting on course with people with the stocks. But then our educational videos are posted here, and this is just some of them, but there's a lot of them, and you can watch these Ichimoku basics for beginners. Some of these are on YouTube, and then some of these aren't. How to day trade stocks using the VWAP. How to use your Williams %R to refine your Ichimoku trades. Trading stocks with insider transactions. Using level 2 and active trader to spot supply and demand. Ichimoku trading strategies. Comparing the Ichimoku default settings with the crypto settings. Basically that's online too. That's on YouTube. Understanding Kijin signals. Some of these are on YouTube that you can watch, and then some aren't, like this here. This is one of our training instructors who was from Korea, basically. And there's another video by him. All right, and then he was teaching the C-clamp. I think I taught that one. So he was teaching the C-clamp and the walking dragon trade setup. I think I taught that, but this one... Alright traders, I am back again with another video. Yep, that's me. And this is King D. he's trading here, and then this is also him.
ECAD daily chart. So
all right, so we bring you the best that we can, and you can see there's a lot of educational videos, and this isn't even all of them. All right, and then finally our trade alerts are new now because we have a new page for them, which is now a blog, and I'm going to show you where we have a lot of trade setups also. I'm going to take you to our chat room real quick after this, but here's where we're going to start posting them. So it's a blog style now, so this way everyone gets to see them, and trade alerts are set up as videos. I record the video and then I put it on the page here, and then let everyone know that it's posted. Okay, so that's trade alerts. So let me show you the chat room, which you will really enjoy. So let me take you there. All right, so here's our chat room. Basically, you could see this is the open chat area where we discuss anything, any topic or whatever. But now the chat room is different because it's broken up into teams, because everyone doesn't like to talk about the same thing. So basically, the open chat, you could talk about anything you want. You know, your wife just had a baby, you just had a child or whatever, you know, so whatever. And then you develop topics here. These topics, I put a lot of these topics in. This is where anything I put in so everyone can know what's happening sometime. And then we have our teams here. So you would see when you have a team, each team is where your members are chatting. But a lot of times you could see there's a lot of members in the Forex section. But instead of chatting all the time, some members, we post a lot of topics. And so topics are inside of these topics you could go in. So you could see a lot of trade setups are posted here. All right. As you could see, most of these are talking about trade setups. I post a lot of them myself, and then some members post them. You could see I even posted a trade setup where I got stopped out. All right. And then you could see basically all the things that we're talking about. So if you wanted to get into those topics, you could talk. Then you have your team cryptos where you're chatting, and then your topics. All right. And then the mods, and then your team stocks, topics, chatting, and then upcoming events, just post. They're just topics. People can ask me something if they need to really know, but these are just topics here of what's happening, what's coming up, and you could also find that on your calendar. Team commodities, okay, a little chat, and then team issues. We just started this chat room about a month ago. All right, so everyone seems to be pretty much enjoying it. And then anyone can send me a message. These are messages from members that I have to answer and make sure I get back to them, and some of them I just keep because I want to remember what they told me. All right, so that's what we have there, and that's the chat room. And then let me just take you to one last page, and you'll understand why I think we can help you learn how to trade any market. All right, so then this is our main website here. Actually, members are on this site and the previous site I just showed you, because we're broken down into a subdomain site, because we want to leave this area for non-members, where I'm going to leave some content for some free content talking about different things. So that will be there. You got some free videos here, but not a lot of stuff here right now. So this is talking about what we offer to you at this point, what you're going to learn, some of the things you'll learn. This is not really all of it, but then you want to come down and become a member, you just click here and join. You can also click up here and join. You can click here and join. Now if you come down and you decide you want to become a member, let me take you and show you that the 1-year membership is $250, and it expires after 1 year. No recurring members, no reoccurring fee. So you pay that $250 and you get everything that we just talked about for 1 full year, plus everything else that's being developed. So during your time here, if more courses come out, you get those courses too, and you get access to all the webinars that we have every week. So that's 52 webinars that you get. Well, at least 52, but you're going to get 52 webinars for sure. And if you count the crypto webinars, then you should be well over 100 webinars in that year's span, plus the other stuff that we add, which are just webinars, just because we feel you need to know some things at this point, all the videos and so forth. So for the value of $250, I think you'd be well happy and enjoy what you get and learn a lot just based off of that. I don't expect you to become a lifetime member, but a 1-year membership and no reoccurring fee, that's what we offer to you. Just click select and it's all yours. All right, hope to see you here with us. And if there's anything I can help you with, I'm always here. I'm 100% behind my members, and I'm 100% giving you all that I have to help you to learn. All right. And then we also have a mentorship program. I won't go into that one right now because I feel like you really don't need to start off with a mentorship program. What you would start off is these basic things that I just showed you. So becoming a member and attending the webinars is really big because we discuss all the trade setups that we just talk about. And as we discuss those setups, you'll start to see what we're saying. All right. Let me show you. So during those webinar sessions that we talked about and that you'll be able to attend every week, we go through all the markets. So this is one of the things we were looking at. So we go through all of the Forex market that day. And these are all the things we discuss right here, even oil and silver and gold. So we'll discuss those things. But also, guys, it's not all about just Ichimoku, because basically if we look at this, I'm going to hide Ichimoku here. And we're looking at this New Zealand dollar CAD for a trade opportunity. All right. So we're looking at the market came down. Now, without Ichimoku, you would not say, well, maybe you shouldn't be looking at this trade, because people don't understand the true concept of Ichimoku. All right. It's not just about those 5 lines, and those 5 lines are slower than the market. So what we're paying attention to here is basically when we started looking at this market. Let me go to the monthly time frame. That's why we got really interested in this. So you could see the monthly time frame here. Take this thing back. This level was support, resistance, 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 support, support, and then here again. So my concept is I continually do trade the market the way it did before from what it did last time. So whatever the market does previously, that's what I'm going to expect it to do next time, and until it doesn't. So do what the market tells you until it doesn't. Trade the way it showed you previously at this level until it doesn't anymore. And most of the time you'll be okay, because then the next thing is if it breaks, then we're going to look for this now to be resistance instead of support, and we'll trade it a little different. So now what's looking good about this opportunity is it's still probably early based off of the monthly. We could get a good move by time the monthly shows, because we're using Williams percent R here, and a break above this -80 is going to help trigger us at this level of support, and we can see this market move higher quite possibly. Now when you see, I put these lines here because you could see we were in a flat range, but then you could see as you start descending to the downside, that shows a little weakness, and I'll put Ichimoku back on there and show you what I'm talking about. But now you could see here overall where we are on the daily time frame. So we're looking for this bounce on this level. All right. Now I use Williams percent R a lot because when you're trading the direction of the market, you trade these -20 and -80 levels. Now the market has found a bottom here. More than likely we're using this level as support. So we bring in some other indicators to look at, and we always like to look at the ultimate oscillator. When I look at the ultimate oscillator, I'm looking at divergence, and here we have some bullish divergence that's lasted for a little while. So I'm gonna draw it out. And see, I tell people do not trade divergence alone. Divergence isn't what you want to trade. Divergence is like the odds enhancer to your trade. It gives you that favor of your trade. So you can see this is trending to the upside, right? But at this same time, this market, and I never really look at divergence until we get down to a support and resistance level. That's where we hit. So therefore, I'm starting to look at this level now, and I want to see this thing bounce off of this thing. Now, I had a rejection at this level, so that's a good thing, right? That means this is a level where bulls are quite possibly coming into the market, where this rejection is here. We still failed here, but then it looks like we made a low, and then we're starting to make a new change of direction. Now the market still could come back down here, but to me it's not going to mean anything unless it breaks this level. So I do want to see it hang here because it'll be better for my opportunity, but I'm looking to come into the market at this level for a long opportunity. All right, and when I look at that for real, if you can hang on to your trade, you're going to try to get back up to this level in here for your trade. All right, now when I go back to the monthly and I put Ichimoku on here, all right, now I try to tell people that monthly time frame is you're investing. All right, you're not just looking for a couple hundred pips. You're really looking to catch some profit. But when you throw Ichimoku on here now, you could see this is bearish, and you could see this. It's just really changed over. This is probably going to eventually break this level. So you may get your correction, but then you're probably going to see it break. All right, but we're looking to get that corrective move, because even though we had crossovers here, this was TK crossover, was bearish, the market still, you had this drop, but then the market still corrected itself, right? Look at the big correction. So it wasn't like, oh, you can't catch this trade. You can catch this trade because you get the correction, and then the market drops. And we're only trading the correction because it's based off of the support and resistance level, and we'll trade those levels pretty aggressively based off of your price action, okay? And that's what we're looking at here. So that's the opportunities that you'll get with us and learn. As you can see, it's not all about Ichimoku. We're talking about divergences. We're talking about different indicators. We're talking about price action. We have sessions going on every week. So there's something for you to learn all the time, guys. And if you have any questions or any issues, I'm here to help you. And there's a lot of members that's been with me from inception that are here to help you. All right. So that's what we're looking at. Hopefully you like that. Hopefully you decide to join us. Currently, like I said, you become a member for $250 for 1 year, and you get all those things that we just talked about. All right, guys, thank you. Till next time, have a great one. God bless.